Actinium Pharmaceuticals, a leader in the development of targeted radiotherapies for patients with unmet, announced entering a license and supply agreement for Iomab B, an antibody radiation conjugate composed of apomestamab, a CD45 targeting antibody. The radioisotope iodine-131 is being developed for targeted conditioning to facilitate BMT and other cell and gene therapies. A pivotal Phase 3 trial, study of Iomab B versus conventional care in elderly, relapsed or refractory acute myeloid leukemia, Sierra, of Iomab B completed patient enrollment in the third quarter of 2021 with top-line data expected in the third quarter of 2022. BMT is the only potentially curative treatment option for patients with active, relapsed or refractory acute myeloid leukemia, AML. Sandesh Seth, Actinium's chairman and CEO, said, "America has established a strong team and impressive capabilities to commercialize specialty products in Europe, the Middle East and North Africa.